Yeah. It's been a minute. Way too long. Yeah. Check it. Yeah. Locked in a cage of my own making. I was between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face in the shadows of the neon light. Praying for the day we finally make it right. Every flight felt like a year in the sky. Staring at the clouds while the seasons pass by. I kept the letters that I never even sent. Wondering if you knew exactly what you meant. Now I'm standing at the terminal, heart on my sleeve. Watching you walk through the gate, I can finally breathe. Now we back in the rhythm, back in the flow. Yeah, we back. Nowhere left for us to go but home. No more silence, no more cold nights alone. We reunited, yeah, the seeds are finally grown.
Tina.
Sorry, do I know you?
Yes. Baby George's girlfriend.
Who?
Baby George. Oh, Kaime.
Who is Baby George?
Anyway, unim na any problem. But the thing is, what the neka? And me no, me kwadwe ho no. Sika no, e wo se wutia.
Oh. Okay.
Me ka kan waka yo.
Oh, wa chinchina. Oh, okay. Okay. Point of correction.
Why not? You can call me anything.
Hold on. Point of correction. I do not owe your man.
Oh, you do?
Okay.
You do. I have evidence of him giving you the money.
Oh,
you
really?
do? Yes.
Okay, so where is the receipt?
I
asked him to give me a receipt. Do you have it?
Whatever it is, no, Sikano, you will pay for it because there is no free lunch. There is no free lunch in Accra. Untimi emfakro no kwan so. You can call me whatever you want to call me, but trust me, you're paying for it, darling. You are.
So are you? Are you his spokesperson now, or his lawyer?
I'm his wife.
His wife.
Yes.
Okay then, enjoy
your
marriage life.
Okay? No, you will.
I'm not.
Trust me,
because
you will.
I'm not owing him. Okay.
You are.
I am not owing.
We know. We are coming after you. We are
coming after me?
Yes, we are.
Okay, bring it on then. You know what? For
Tina,
now, me my busy. I have a meeting
Tina,
to catch.
You can rule Ghana. You can be the president for a minute. Tina, hey, my main can't some fudge. Me for chrono kwan so. And Jimmy Kunu Sika, Baby George Sika. Now me chance say, you bring it on, bring it, Auntie, bring it on a young Sika no bitia. Just know this and know peace.
A man that lives on a kiosk. You think that guy can date me? On point of correction, you mentioned something. Yo. Don't ever. Don't ever mention that again. He's not my ex-boyfriend. You hear?
See,
he is not my ex-boyfriend.
Were you sue?
And then
we are taking that money.
Wait. When are you sue me?
Mr. Baby George.
Akwana na nim say aduane gari no. Me.
Are
you kidding me?
No, I'm not. That's the truth of the matter.
That's how come I don't even know you, because you don't live here, right? You don't live in this Legon, right? You don't live here.
I do.
Oh, please. Because I don't know you. I'm the headmistress of East Legon. I don't even know you. Who
are you? Excuse
me.
You're too dear so.
Oh, please.
Headmistress. You're too dear so. Oh, so you're chrono kwan. This is like, baby, I'm going to be a second more dear. I heard what dress come on. The bag neck come up, pal. And so still, you bet Jessica, you bet Baby George. He will take his money. We will take it. It's not for you.
Yeah,
Madam, it's not for you. You will pay.
Back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
Madam A. Yes. Cheers. All right. Can you tell her dear and I said to see her? Sure. A minute. Okay.
Yeah, back where we belong. We back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
What's that? But you'll be sure. Your friend is saying, but you'll say friend and dear friend.
No, it's fine. Just. Hi, Abina.
Oh, Adiapana.
Yes.
Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
You're surprised to see me.
Yeah.
I know. I'm good. I'm good. Yourself?
I'm fine. Are you okay?
I'm good. You have a lovely place.
Thank you.
Oh, this is beautiful. Masha Hassan.
Thank you. Did you come to get anything done? You want to do your hair?
That'll be for
pedicure?
another time. Because come on, if it's not Lucius Avenue, Ahuofe. Wow. Anyway,
hold on 1 minute. So should I get you anything?
No, it's fine, really. This is very brief.
Okay. Angie, from me cup, never away.
Watching.
Thank you. Welcome. Babe, what's the problem?
Babes, who said their main control, but I mean, Mabane dear. Wadan for Tina.
Madame Futina.
Yes. Baby George X. Mimi Baby George. Oh, Frank Enya George.
Yeah, I know. I know the Tina you're talking about.
Just a dear person. Enye.
Ade, that's amazing.
Baby George, Emma, you will say. Tina Ajinisika. A lot of money. And it's not, I won't even say what fraud, you know. This is a typical case of fraud. No fraud nipa no na say wo to kwan na wa bana nipa ne hia na o chinisika. Said dia kwan ode Baby George fast. It's frustrating. On say me no. On a normal day anka me mfa no nto sa asembwe mu. But my baby is frustrated. And I said ya say ha no me so me oba me ni ku me kunu ho. Ne how me how. What I say? My catches won't trust, but he can't get over it. I mean, Sika die. We all know say Sika ye moja. Tina, simple. What ba? What you pass them there? Next obitian and kakran na say, but I mean, how she's going about it? I don't use Shiano. Said oh yeah no. I've met her again. It's uncalled for. And I won't know yet for you with me a customer ton assume. I'm saying my family too in because genuinely it's not nice. And I was say, you know, ye na ye busia. O partner, means to me partner near our motim falco. Ain't no, you are more like a sister to me. Tabna me by ya, you so.
Are you done?
Oh yes. I mean I can go on, but Nina ne tofane say Sikano yeji. The attitude is not even a problem.
So, let's say asem na o kana see oba so bedanka. I'm our boy.
Baby George.
Did he tell you how come he gave her the money?
Is a means necessary?
No, but you are aware they were in a relationship, right?
Yes.
In Cecilia, George, will baby. If he gives you something,
no, but
now you guys.
Say.
Well, it was a gift.
No. Besia.
Sana, baby George, catch her.
Yes. I'm not fighting per se, but so what Jenny Sika, and also Tia. Besia.
Idea Penna, that money was a gift.
No, it was a loan. Babes, my main control. Na Tina, no cray was some. I don't know what she's told you, but no cray woman to say. Tina, Emma me be and the time na no more Tina catch Ray. Me baby George. I say one besia. Now on fan son my me on money 10,000 Ghana cedis. That was then. But initially, before my member, no one so quiet so or fan your business. And see, or did a no can, my mayor really sick. I could see 100,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, papa, 100,000. It's not 1,000 or 2,000 or once 100. Oh, come on.
That's what Baby George told you. Is Baby George aware you're here?
Well, I won't say he's aware or he's not aware. But I won't say, Baby George and I, we are one. And in this particular instance, no, we are more than one. We are together. Because dear Baby George, dear me, dear. And so no, say, oh yeah, my partner. Ah, yashasha warrior, yet boom, ye be beer boom no. Me how ye me how. Oba pe beer no. O kunu how ye how. To me, you say what shame is a memra. But as your papa no, me tutu sana mo we aba minwa ba wo say, boa me na mintimi nyi says K. Oh, because sika no enye for free. Anything and na ye trim plan nyamu 100,000. Ne. Anka ye na ye be trim plan sa. Ko si say ye be wu. Because I'm plan for sure wo so no. Edu trim. In her heart of hearts. Or did you say this kind of channel? Hey, I didn't want some cranny. T19 na kuma mutono. Or that sorry ye na. Or born who puts you, not just say their channel. Oh, Menisa. And then, Nipaya papa no mama, papaya bonny, papaya crassa.
I'm telling you that money he gave the girl is not up to 100,000 cedis. Anyway,
yes.
The same way you're saying that you see yourself as family and you're my sister.
That's right.
Tina is also my sister. Okay. And I can tell you that George did not give Tina 100,000 cedis.
Hey!
Sika, George, Edema, Tina, Abruswa, maybe like 10,000 cedis.
Oh, wow.
And that was money he gave her because they were in a relationship and that girl only needed help, which is something everybody does when they're in a relationship. And babes, I've seen you. I've seen how you move. Why don't you just give your boyfriend the money so he can move on?
Oh, the money is not a problem.
So what's the problem right now?
No, but Trey. Also, she, I don't know how she reacted. I felt like she doesn't deserve my kindness. And so she has to pay up because see that Nisuba soon sign.
No, you'd rather keep seeing her and keep Selber dying because you can still have an encounter with her and knowing you Nisuba show. That's the kind of boy ne. I can't believe you came all the way here to this place. Even before so be here with Tiana baby, who be dying come our boyfriend every me home.
Baby George. Abina now but tell them in church or something. Sikano, one fine channel.
Or the channel. Babe, so when you and Baby George decide to go your separate ways, now or die I don't has he done anything for you?
Well, he tries.
Into your banner bed dying waka, how would you feel?
How do I feel saying?
So only need jai. Now oba no kasinyema wa ya ma no fama ne baka. How would you feel?
Or touch him and I say or the lonely me. That's the crux.
Now when you be a relationship more to me the idea lonely.
No, relationship with you.
He didn't give her a loan or this I didn't share no. As boy ya or penny girl.
I've been na wouldn't ho.
Na wo.
Me so na mini ho. But no crane say Baby George one fan loan na onka. Baby George odinu crap papa.
Sir,
adebo kwa me pe won ho. Oka no crack. Oh, I've learned thriller. Enti buame. Na yen Jessica no. 100,000. Enti me
it's not
10,000 then 10,000. Why will I journey this long journey for 10,000?
Your Baby George doesn't have 100,000 cedis. So, share when he fan.
That time no.
Share when he fan. Okoji loan or bank crank. I don't know the Okoji loan. He doesn't have 100,000 cedis. And Ejumana Odia Bano. Odia you are coming.
I feel waka sawa. Oh, me are do away and tem. What it me did be enemy with open mass and through a kumum say. I feel that what say? Well, I trope. It's simple. I tell to me, yes, sir. Oh, we have 100,000. We'll say for free. Ah, Obapa. I mean, sure, what say? What do you mean? Who one will say? Wakumum say, why? We ni papa. Since no Ahuofe. Tina de me na fine, but all the same, thanks. Thank you for hearing me out. Enti me Patricia, me out my next week. Meba.
Baba ye day.
Abejiska no.
Me say me kwaji sika ma so be car say ma twem. So I'll tell Tina, don't worry. And no be can I'll let you know.
Oh, don't even worry. Meba. Mesamba. Meba. Why? Papa nyamisha wo have fed here. Wow. Hey, Meba. Why? Papa, Ahuofe. Hey, baby girl. Oh, Papa. Meba baby, why? I'll see you soon next week. Why? Thank you. Love you.
No, so the best of a feather.
Yeah. Check it. Yeah. Locked in a cage of my own making. I was between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face.
Hello. Baby girl.
It's saying.
I'm here to
When one day penna?
A dear penna for it. Yeah. Nadia penna, I had obeying Tiana.
Just said, you can say best of a feather flock together and then I'm moving. Angie, that's a maybe
and it's it.
What him say? A dear penna baha. Ebe catch me say, Mimini Madame Fu, Tina en Casa, Enfasica now or the George no. Or bedainka.
I've been a vessel. I've grown a wood Diana, so when you be so.
Mimi Diago.
A dear penaba, Jumamua. I don't know who.
I don't even know. Minim Sir George let train no. Mitty Hannah and catch him Miss Adia Penna, Shemi. Adia Penna by ya. Or say,
George.
She said, new or no baby George. Baby George ni ex. Edenica into all back na mini Tina Casa. So, say George catch him the sale on my Tina 100,000 cedis.
And George Oessa, eh?
Martina, is it up to 100,000 cedis?
I'm not sure about that. But M1 saw yes, I didn't know yes. Ah, then the girlfriend na Jumamu or Chena Hide. Dear na George cry or Jeffrey Moore. Abna, Mr. Me sorry. Minimum she. Minim class or about Jumamu. Me say okay. Oh, dear, I'll talk to George. Why, Mr. Why? Emma be a house. So I'm a cause issue be out.
No, she was okay. Just that me as some now and menti I say. I'm saying to see how we
Obeso here they say.
And she sent me na madam for.
When they Tinango Casama.
No, she any boy in this man.
Come on. Mr. I say me there, you are no free, Mr. I for no go to. But George, what they can't catch him say. Me stay away from on any girlfriends and sense into myself. Also, yeah, me the end day. Me person also do one about why me so. Me kasa Chelsea no weti am. Why? Ade penna no so me hia no ba bia so no so me ma no won sense no ansi abi.
Eh, only
Ade ti no de adwuma mu abi kwa.
Omu fata omu ho. It's a perfect
match.
match.
Eye me woma.
Hey.
Ladies no ntesa o.
Sir.
Me hu no foforo no edin. Ba do ti zo mo ese ha chiri ntia. So ni nipa na ntecha mo se.
Hey. My brother.
What they say on na sepa, o manim class o maso ntem say. As a side mirror no. What they what we na no cry no. Clinton. Now madam Kofi o to there. Mo hwe chiri why? Why? That's all right. Okay.
I'm hungry.
Minim you're hungry. So what will you?
Back where we belong. We back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
George, why ne obi a na asem da ya ka twemu. Edi tina se osuma ade pena so onko adwuma mu ne abranko kasa. Tina sika si ya ka twem. Enti di tina se ade pena no ko adwuma mu ogo ka che abran so ne tina nkasa.
Ade pena ko abena dwuma.
Masa nti woni yera o. Wo do ye pretender no. Wate? E dey na wo be yon sa se wonim de make.
Be pretend age dey.
E dey na de pene hu adwuma mu o.
Masa asema wo kan me I don't know what you are trying to me. Because at the pen I can't remember say minim se bia wonim abena dwuma but I don't know so akọ.
Na e dey no hu adwuma mu o. Wan ka so kire no.
Na ahu na at the pen hu abena dwuma onye tire no ye.
George. Masa me ni abena baba ka mesire mu. E mo bia me create confusion bi mu o. Ma mo be say entem. Say ya na odi kan ye ya e ko wie sei no.
Hwan ko wie sei?
Mesire o. E dey tire say o kire na
adwuma mu. Woni abranta mete nya wa mistake.
Mistake be.
Nya wo masema ko ye na ma woni abranta mete.
Enya wo so na ka nsem kire no.
Ka nde na kire no.
Eja ni dum na wo sa de patro gum nya wo na ka nsem kire no. Masa efi na ko
nti mi ba o ade pe na ko se de.
O se abran na we tena nkasa no tu o sika ma.
Na eno no o ka odifo na odibem.
Aha na se wo na aka so nko.
Me nka so nko bet o koda me ka ma me a odifo na odibem.
Na abran na ode ne ha wo ko da no aden abran no.
On nim tina e one. No na tina e one.
Why be?
Obi ko abran chance e wo say o be fa na fi ase akobi na. Masa untimi se ne untimi dia na ka kira abran na package ne fa ni si dem.
Na me fa ni si dem.
Se on peso bi abekọ ne nchen.
Na me mabusa ade pe na mabusa na dwuma mu da.
O sere.
Da be na masori akompran fo fie da.
I say I don't know masa me kan okoda ma me. E na enye wrong because who case buy no. Abran da bia no de odi hayi kwan. Of frame every time yin share ha yan kwatena ha say George Frank ye ne day ye say but me dia ba ye ne de pe na de pe na nkwa ne
me say abena onde mo kawo.
Okay
so pobi odo ka tena mo nhwe ono na chiri kwan na mo ja abena ha o ma no.
It's okay
Wati na wo sa jimi no a wo ade pe na ni hia me ne abena o shop a no wo be kwasasem no. Udi ma sema obeka no sopo. Udi ma dia
o hu abran say.
Mimi hu abran say. Na de ade pe na ni tipe ni abran na.
Hwe.
Ye de abran gin o de ade pe na gina. Wo be yi wan. Wo be yi wan.
Me yi wan.
Be honest to yourself, wo be yi wan.
Aka mi nya abran o.
Na ka be yi wan.
Na yes ma bodam.
Ade pe na. Jack, dabi abran de.
Ade pe na no emfa ne to form say yo ba ru an kasa bi enwuma ade pe na ye ne sika ekura ade pe na no. Eya abran tipe no no.
So no ko shop o hu.
Na shop onye light shine.
Isi Legon no. Na obenya shop isi Legon. Isi Legon. Ubenya shop o.
Na oni be ade pere esi fie.
O si fie wen.
Ase akwase ni fie wa ha.
Wase asem si be bi ati ase ha ni fie wa ha. Hwedan esia. Hwedan we esia na we ase ha o si ni fie wa.
Na edan we
esia. Edi mo wo ehwen na hwedan yi.
Enye dan ni na dan ni.
Ntade. Etina pepese be cho say.
Enti fa oni se be bia we esi.
Area mu anan nya ba bia wo si dan si ehu si Isi Legon ho.
Ohene.
Wodi mu fie abena mu si tim e wo Isi Legon ho. Masa. So yen kasa bebre o. Ena mte da min didi no.
Na odi ni fie ayi be.
Me kire o se wabobra. Ye kasa oba abobra no nipa no oba ma so abobra. Na kan ye sini nti no jai. E ma dodo se na no mo boyfriend jai a o mo nti o mo jai. Bra ye no ma wan. Wate. Masa, mamu fa abena ndi agro, mamu fa ne nto fom. Ndi agro abena de mani kosu ano no. Don saka na don saka me. Na me ka cho.
No o ye de woti won ya na ye de.
Enye woni, ba me me cho se mu hwe mu ye won ho. Se no bia mfa adwuma mu anyi kwan. Wade pena no wan yo. Everybody should stay away from us.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's a dining na dining.
Na dining.
Then them cho se asase abena dan si so no. Ehun si ba bia wade pena dan si so.
Wa bren de onya fi ni nche de so pa o.
Me nya hwe o. Ba ka ni bu no ho. Or a responsible lady.
Na ai
respectful lady.
Adepra oba na ai ode pa da gura ni kiso kwese party.
Onya concept ba ni nya mekuta abena ni bi ne kuta ade. Jack, I'm bomb media ho ba.
No abena ko so on kabrofo.
Hey, English.
Abena share ante brofo.
Abena nka brofo.
Abena e tom ma no sika ne tom. Ase say e accident to share sika.
Tranquility no. Eno no hu ze brofo.
Tranquility.
We are no asake wo. What? Abena graduate. School abena ko.
Abena graduate na where?
What degrees ekuta abena?
Yeah, back where we belong. We back now. We back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
Say what?
I'm so sorry, I'm not in a way you from one person.
mango aduane na atete.
Se mango dey say boy needs na dey na be pie.
It's quite tete am from na afama na beku ha. Asa ya nyina ha nche na me bi ase. Ah, ade nche e kakra me pro.
Dey mati. Se wa na mpesa me no din komo.
Sa. Aya. Ana e wo de mo aka abonten na na me bi
Dey se na me refi. Me pie ye kan re asem ya wo kasa mfra me na de ba ya na. Makai. You can say, Miss Rowe. Because I'm call back to Nick.
Person will call back to Nick. Inti me menya no dey.
So no any din come. Osha Nick me call back agent.
Na manda wo me say.
Me hu say o yes wa.
Debi na bema wo ye ne basa ama na ko. Wapa mo no de ebeke bia wo se wuntie wo pe taxi driver. Amma boy yi broken heart e di na tama ye ne de ope. Ene no me a. Anyway, the last time I me koshia na me ni kodi nkomo fa wo. He seemed like he has moved on. Enti menya sure say bia na okokan wakokoye. But anyway, there's no harm in trying. Until betimi ene na kokasa.
Family koi.
Meme vanko.
Na me pon adwuma so de obekọ night. Me pon tem. Nanka my friend nanka. We to the oben so wo friend. Na find out so fear and that's what on the store.
Na wonim sa nyansa we ya de na me na menkoye. Wo a wonim kwa e befa so a e benya neck no. Wo wonye wo ka kire me ma me mai say as odien. As who spokesperson, as who concerning, as the
no, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
I don't forward it. I quite know what it means to me. Who waits me in a cocasa at least? No door. So what I saw the kind the intimate moon crassa. Tell you now in a coca, only name said your beggy or your mamma as a Jubium. But me party counts me out. In fact,
say what? Meaning so when I make a casauti. If you say, me need George in Samsami. When I go to go Georgia, Nick assume, and a corners assume no tea. And it's a man to me moving on. So one could come any George in Sammy and Trena. Come here, sure, think by now, still now, so fighting for the love or fighting for me. But the Okoki kind into say, yes, and the marriage relationship or tea. One hunter with them, Mr. Rosa, concern line now fast, so I would it choose them. So, would they for Sarquine now? So,
and you're not Monday, first, no, and then I make a count home 7 months for. So, what I say, I'm a mem say, concerning and then I'm a best at it. But see, I'm a mamma and so we're ready.
Why a bonnet king?
Main country be. Said a woman who said me a concern. Yes, said you're more than dinner. When you call the academy, born home by. Into the I come here saying, say me born home by me, new concern. Means me neck and Cassam.
To which I was a son.
Miss Oyana, why? My sister saying, my sister will be at home. Madam, means to me yet. And my mammy boom for no pay a day. No one saw that no pen so to a dear chain. Neck is a madday. Bema no pen and away and say, I will call you a book out with Simon, and then they won't make a trap by air quack. Every family mixed spokesperson. You want to also me a concern. You want to free me George and Semu. You want to free me George and Semu, and then may make a cabby. Makodi concern our dear negwe near car, our dear no crown, me make a say relationship in a cocaine, and I may see a one. Maybe the answer be my dear, Sana dear, will be GF in a man who nip a crowd or GF in and won't cogena dear back. Me aim name a purpose, meaning a neho. Only George relationship, one cast on him, son, I'm so. To me, dear, may be a but what am I ye? Tis it a Giagua, and Yaman, I may make a canja so. And I try my best.
No one try your best. Who so Jagumurada? Reason why I make us a one try your best and say indeed send out person who say menene ko wa. Nanka at some point will be defending me in front of Nick. What you say? Not later no when me akasa in chambers. And yes sir, we be can some and Debbie and someone was
saying Amanda me catch her with them. If I want George relationship.
But you want carry answer me.
Me man carry answer.
Debbie.
They make an answer day.
They will catch me and say taxi driver no onye eno e bedwom here na catch
Na se taxi driver nya.
Me ndi nkomo wo dem.
Madam, enya afi na wo beye ko na me kra me wo awia. Me wo night. Enti no. Ye be kasa. So ko na ofre no na de be sibia no be ka che me awan kan che me so any de. Eh, make no kra me say me ni ne number.
Me na wo twa me ntro. Wo ni make number. Wo ni make number.
Na wo ye kasa. Baba, wo ba to fried rice me.
Moto eyi. Fried rice take away check Samantha na meta do.
Shattered glass on the floor, hearts in fragments, cold war.
Hello family, was good 3940 here. Guess what? NKB Studios Emma free access to his unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then you can be link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis per to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when is secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis per. Na bo link na so edo ko channel no so straight. Then you akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na nya ka so go to your old trend here, o de koye bra, o de koye bra ni be dia dance here, koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love Active.
Echoes of your last laugh linger like a locked door. A mirror can't reflect me, not the me from before. I'm a ghost in